Alright, Mecca Advent Calendar, day 1. Let's go ahead and see what they've given us. Ta-da! Day 1. How do I get it out? This is the intelligent test all over again. Alright, cute. We have more of this artsy stuff. Ooh. I think it's an eyeliner, a mini eyeliner. Why is it in such a big box? How do I open it? Oh my god. What excessive packaging. Ta-da! I think I've basically already got one of these, but it's short, so when I am not wearing glasses, I won't hit the window, I won't hit the mirror as much. Yay, eyeliner, and it looks like it's black. Which is perfect for me. Black is what I want. Okay, the second item, sorry I can't be bothered to use a tripod. The second item, cute packaging. Number 2, there's number 2. We got a brow gel. Sorry, wrong way. Don't know what that means. Brow gel. I think it's to stick the hairs of your brow in a particular way, and I don't understand why that is so important, but I guess I'll try it and find out. But it just seems like one of these weird micro detail things that chicks really shouldn't be concerned with. I don't get it. Even my mum was like, what the heck? So yeah, cute. That does satisfy my reasons for getting the calendar though. It was to try different things, learn about different stuff. Not sure that this is one that I'm going to turn into a habit, but we learned something new, maybe. Alright, I figure I should be trying the products from my advent calendar as I go so I can learn about them. And yeah, number 2 was the eyebrow gel. Now, I've been trying to look up online how the heck I'm supposed to use this and what the heck is it for. And it's for like shaping your eyebrows or something, but I have no problem with the way that my eyebrows naturally sit. Like, what's wrong with that? I don't understand, but I'll just try. They say to like brush it upwards and outwards and then it makes them fluffy. I don't think I need my eyebrows to be fluffier, but let's just do it anyway, see what happens. And you know, like there's other steps to making your eyebrows, I don't know, nice by mainstream standards, but I'm just gonna they do say you can just use it on its own. So I'm gonna give that a go. I'm scared and I don't think this is necessary at all, but since I have the product, let's try it. I can always like take it off. So like, I guess I've got a little bit of a spiral there. Do I just like, oh my god, I don't think it's doing anything. It's just like, you know, so I'm meant to make it go upwards, but those guys kind of just want to stay there. I'm just making them spikier. Is this how I get like really spiky eyebrows? I guess I can see it if I'm moving them against where they want to actually be. Make my eyebrows spiky. Maybe that is how I find some fun, is I make them spiky, like as if they're like spiking your hair. But yeah, at what point do because like they naturally want to go in that direction anyway, but make those ones spiky. Yeah, is that an improvement? I don't even know. I'm sorry, I know when I put my hand up this way, it doesn't show on camera very well. Spiking my eyebrows. Who even knew that was a fucking thing? I'm gonna try and make them like reasonably symmetrical or something. Oh no. My friend was telling me about like eyebrow threading and that sounded terrifying because I'm like, why would they put thread in your eyebrows? But it turns out, I haven't actually looked it up, but she was saying actually they use the thread to remove like those stray, I have a lot of stray hairs that aren't in the main line, and I'm just like, yeah, I don't want to do that. I'm happy with my weird strays. Anyway, is that kind of even? It kind of like makes me look angrier. I don't mind looking angry. I just don't understand, because like when I've been watching these tutorials,
I don't think it improves, like, the things that girls are doing to their eyebrows. I don't know that it really improves it. Like, I know a lot of people do those kinds of things. Is that what it's meant to look like? I don't even know. I really do feel like it just made me look angrier. Look at them. Look at those eyebrows. They're angry, aren't they? Is this mainstream beauty? Because, like, I don't mind looking angrier. That goes with the whole, like, grumpy goth thing, but I don't understand what I'm, like, what are eyebrows meant to look like? Like, these are my natural, well, I've played with them now, but, like, my natural eyebrows, what's the problem with them? I don't get it. All these, like, micro details. Like, I can get, you know, obsessive people not wanting the extra little eyebrow hairs that aren't part of the line, but the whole thing where chicks color them in and make them into these really unnatural looking shapes, and sometimes, like, with very square edges, I don't understand it, and to me it doesn't look right, but what do I know? Anyway, so that's me trying brow gel. I just quickly went over them again because it didn't really keep the spiky angriness for very long, so, you know, what am I even achieving? I think I did manage to, but yeah, they sort of just settled back down into the pattern that they were already in, with maybe just the slightest bit of extra spikiness in some areas. And I'm just like, so what did I even achieve other than putting shit on my face that I need to clean off again? I don't know. I don't fucking know. Guess we'll see what the next one is. All right, excuse the black lipstick. I've just been looking up the brow gel again, and I looked up actually Mecca's advice, and they said for, like, stubborn eyebrows, you can brush it backwards. So I'm gonna give that a go before I dismiss it as, like, I have no idea what's going on. Because I think my eyebrows are pretty strong. Like, I don't know, maybe it did something, but it's so subtle that I can't tell. And as you guys know, if makeup is too subtle, I just don't care. Like the black lipstick, I can tell that that's doing something. But this stuff, I don't know. I want my, if it's gonna make any difference to my life, I want to have those angry spiky eyebrows, or just something that I can notice differently. So if I brush it backwards first, before, you know, go against the grain, before we then shape stuff, I don't know. Am I just making everything look super weird and putting way too much on? Probably. Is this making any difference? I kind of think not. I'm just putting way too much on, and some people in the reviews, I think I found the one that this product is meant to be, and people in the reviews are saying, like, yeah, nah, it kind of only does something if you put, like, way too much in. Make them all angry. It's this main bit in here, though, where I can see that it's super strong and they just don't want to stand up and don't want to set in that position. What if I hold them there? No, I think my eyebrows just do what they want. And, like, that's fine. Who am I to tell them what to do? Like, if it stays like that, but then I had to put, like, all this extra up here and made a bit of a mess. I think it's already falling down. Oh no, it's staying up a little bit this time. Alright. Let's try the other one, and see if the first eyebrow sort of collapses while I'm doing this. But if we brush it backwards first, and then go upwards, and I just got to try not to hit my skin above it too much while I'm doing all this. Yeah, but, you know, it's such a small detail. Who even gives a shit? Like, come on. They're just eyebrows. Dear oh dear. I know some people shave off their eyebrows, particularly in goth, because they want to just, like, have painted on ones. They're a bit more interesting. That is not something that I want to do. It's like one more step. Why take off my eyebrows? I'm just going to have to make new ones or else look really weird. And, you know, it makes me think of that Seinfeld episode where his eyebrows got burnt off and then they drew new ones on and he looks really angry and everyone's like, what's your problem? Yeah, see, like, I don't think it's holding. I don't think it's doing anything. Like, it just straight away doesn't matter how much I put on, I don't think. Or if I brush them backwards, I don't think it's really doing anything. You know, just break all the rules, brush them all the wrong way. Make it like a pissed off cat that you've just been rubbing the wrong way. I'm just not convinced that that's really gonna hold. I'll give it a minute. I can't be bothered to do any more than that. Yeah, no, they're all sinking down. There's a few that are standing up for now. Maybe I got a few to stand up more. What do you think? Did it change much? Are you too distracted by the lipstick? Yeah, staying a little bit, but like, is that worth? Like, is that really giving me any kind of a good effect? What do you think? Was that worth doing? Is brow gel a thing that I should bother with? I don't know. Maybe there's more. I know, like, you know, you can use pencils and things to fill in your eyebrows. They also say you just use this to tame your natural things, and I don't know. I don't think my eyebrows need taming. I think they need wilding, you know, to make them spike up and angry. Like, that would be an interesting kind of thing to do. But if it's just to, like, make them neat, I don't care. I don't understand. Makeup is so fucking weird. Also just tried using my fingers to, like, push them up, but then I got them stuck to my forehead. So, yeah, I don't know, guys. Okay, box number 3. We have this very pink lip gloss. So if I don't like it, Mum will have it instead. Alright, number 4 of the Advent Calendar. Looked at this with Mum earlier today, and this is probably the first really cool, interesting thing for me. It's the illuminating primer, and it's got a little bit of a sparkle to it. Now, I have some primer that I used at my lesson, and it's completely clear, whereas this is not clear. So I'm very curious. I'll have to look up, like, what it's actually for and how it's different to regular primer. Like, what does illuminating mean? That's what I want to know. So it gives me something different to try. Yeah, and that's good for me learning stuff. So I think this is the first thing where I'm really like, yeah, I definitely want to learn this stuff. Like, the brow gel was different, but I don't get it. Whereas this, I can see some potential for it doing something different. So cool, awesome. I'll try that at some point. All right, day 5 of the Mecca Advent Calendar. We got this, a little bit shiny. It's a blush, and I haven't used a powder blush before, and I haven't used a shiny one before. So it's another good one for me to play with and learn how to use. Yay! Day 6 of the Mecca Calendar. We've got this. It's bronzing gel, and my mum's like, what the heck is that? How do you use it? So this is definitely for me. Number 7 on the Advent Calendar from Mecca, we have this. It's a lipstick crayon. Notice it says lipstick crayon, not lip liner. So do you use that as a lipstick? I have no idea. That's another thing I'm gonna have to look up and try and learn about. So cool. Okay, number 8 on the Mecca Advent Calendar, we've got, ta-da! It's an eyeshadow. And in terms of color, compared to this palette I've got, which is also Mecca colors, it looks like it's halfway between Dazzled and Cliche. But yeah, like, sometimes they look a certain way in here, but then when you put them on your face or put them on your skin, they behave differently. So I've got to try that out, see if they're different enough. If not, I might give that one to my mum, but yeah, we'll play with it anyway. Number 9 in the Mecca Advent Calendar, we have this, a mini setting spray. Yay! Number 10 on the Mecca Advent Calendar, we have this. Oh my god, isn't it cute? It's like a blending sponge or something. I haven't even used my big one, and this one is so adorable. When I saw it this morning with Mum, I was like, ah! That's so cute. Can you see that?
Oh, it's just the brand. But yeah, no, look how tiny it is. Oh my goodness. I'm trying not to be too loud because it's kind of late. But yeah, I don't know how practical something this tiny is, but will be fun to play with. I need to learn how these work. So cute, even if it's not useful. It's adorable. Oh my god. Day 11 of the Mecca Advent Calendar. We've got this. Ooh, shiny. What is it? It's a liquid highlight. Now, I don't have highlighter, so this is going to be interesting for me. I just have concealer, which you can use as a highlighter, but like this is actually sparkly and different. So yeah, I've got to look up what I'm actually meant to do with it, but I'm definitely interested to give that a try. Woo! All right, last thing on the Mecca Advent Calendar, we have this. It is a lip pencil. And I'm not entirely sure the difference between a lip pencil and a lip crayon. I think maybe a lip crayon is like you fill everything, whereas this is just the outline. But I guess I will find out. And cool thing is, now that this is empty, I can use it to store stuff in. So that's extra handy.